I wanted to show you how I clean off my palette, my oil painting palette. I had tons of layers of paint stuck to this glass palette. I wasn't sure if I was ever going to be able to use it again because it was so much paint on it. You can see over here I have a little collection of the scrapings. I wanted to show it to you beforehand, but I forgot to record it. So I'm using some water and a little bit of the isopropyl alcohol, and I'll be showing you how I get these final layers off. So I'm just going to pour some of the alcohol onto the palette. I'm just going to move it around with my palette knife. I'm not trying to scrape it off right now. I'm just helping the alcohol move across the palette. And I'm just going to let it sit. Hopefully it'll loosen up a little more and I'll be able to scrape off a little more. I'm going to leave it like that for a bit. I've been letting the alcohol and water soak. It's been about a half an hour and this is how much I've gotten off. I really hope I can restore it to what it used to look like. And this is how much has come off from, if you can see it up in that corner. And I still have a long way to go with this little area over here. I did want to show you how far I've gotten. I'm so excited because it seems like I'll be able to restore it so that I can use it nicely again. And hopefully I will not do this again, but who knows. This afternoon, I thought to myself, maybe I need like a stronger full strength. So I put it on my palette and you can see the dried paint is coming off very easy now. This is really, I want to say baked on, but it's not baked on, dried on paint, and it just comes right off. I can't believe I was struggling with the diluted one. I wasn't sure how strong I needed it. You see nicks on there? The nicks are from my palette knife. And I didn't want to use my Gamsol or other solvent today. I try to use it maybe if I'm outside or if things are well ventilated in here, but I try to hold off on using it. I really do not like to use it unless I absolutely have no other choice. And since I use isopropyl alcohol in our house for different things, I'm comfortable with using it and being careful with it. So I hope I'm not shaking that too much, but I just wanted you to see this part, how easily it came off with the full strength. I'm so excited because yay, I can use my palette again. It's been sitting there for months. That's how I get grimy, dried up paint off of my palette now. I hope that helped and happy cleaning. I'll see you next time.